Okay, welcome everyone. Today is April 29th. It is a Monday of 2019. This is going to be a recap of all the trades that I made today in chat. I'll tell you, today was a really good day for me. I think I mentioned last week that I am adding in a new pattern. It's something I recently discovered. It's actually hidden in one of my ELM setups, and I noticed it, and then I started looking at it, started doing a little bit of research on it. It looked very good. So I've thrown it in, and actually, I mean, if you look at some of the things I've done over the last 3 trading sessions, it's just been phenomenal. So I'm going to continue to work with it. I'm going to continue to trade it because I really like what I'm seeing here. And if I continue to see it working over a given period of time, I'll go ahead and I'll release it to all our subscribers. I call it the early bird because it allows me to get into some of my moves a lot sooner, basically picking up more premium, and that's the key with binaries. You want to capture as much premium as you possibly can. So finally, end of the day, let me see here. End of the day at 1561.50. You know, I did one lots as I always do. Saw some really nice setups. I put on some 10 lots. I do like trading the continuation pattern, so that's basically what I was doing today, continuations in the early birds, and that was the majority of the patterns I used today, and I'm going to continue to do that in the night session, and we'll see how I come out tonight. Also, let you know, this is video 187, day 187. When I get to 200, from 200 on, I'm going to start doing these updates weekly instead of daily because I'm just getting too busy, and I do want to do a little bit more R&D on some of these this new pattern that I found. So I really want to look at it across a long history of data just to make sure that it's valid, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be valid because it is based off of my ELM filters. So that being said, if you'd like to be updated on my night trades, just go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com, give me your email address, and I'll keep you updated on how I do it at night as well, because I don't release them here in YouTube. And the other thing is, by giving me your email address, you can go ahead and get a hold of my free fundamental video, which talks a little bit more about what I do, and it's a good video. It's about an hour in length. Whether you trade my approach or any approach, I think there's really good information in there to help you out. And that is going to talk about the core strategy, which is the first thing that I teach my students. So anyway, get a hold of the video. Go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com. Get the video. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. Give me a thumbs up if you like these videos. And I should do a little trading tonight, and then I will be back tomorrow with my next update. Take care.
Okay, so here we are. I'm now offering 3 plans. You can subscribe for just a monthly plan, or you could decide to go with a 3-month plan, or you can go ahead and get the 12-month plan. The difference is first of all, with the 1-month plan, you are going to learn about the core strategy, which includes the pairing pattern, the single and double continuation pattern, the delta pattern, and I will also teach you the nibble strategy. Okay. Then if you decide you want to advance a little bit more, or maybe just sign up for the 3-month, then what I'm also going to provide you is special access on Sunday nights. Now you will have access every Thursday night. So I'm here every Thursday and every Sunday night, but the Sunday night is going to be limited to the 3-month and the 12-month plan. That is my favorite night to trade. So I will be available here in the room trading, as well as training and answering interview questions. But with that, you're also going to have you're also going to learn about the advanced nibble strategy, and that's also something that does come with the annual plan, but it is not available with the 1-month plan. So by sign up for the 3-month plan, you're going to have access to Sunday nights, also learn about the advanced nibble strategy, and all 3 plans obviously provide a 1-hour personal training where you and I will go through every single one of my patterns and setups, make sure you fully understand them. You have any questions, you and I can talk directly with each other, and I'll make sure you get fully up to speed before you actually jump into the live room. This way you kind of know when I call things out, you kind of know what I'm looking at. Then if you decide to go with the 12-month plan, 12-month plan is actually, it's been my most popular. You're going to obviously learn everything from the 1 month and the 3-month plan, but I'm also going to be throwing in the crystal ball method. Just to let you know, this is available right now. Eventually the crystal ball method will be taken away for 2 reasons. Number one, I don't want it highly distributed because I do trade it quite a bit as well, and also the members that have learned it have asked me not to provide it as well. So I am going to go ahead and limit access to the crystal ball method because it's a very powerful method, and if you haven't seen it, please go. I think I have a couple videos out there you can actually watch it in action. And then these rates right now are from April of 2019. So if for some reason you're watching this video after April of 2019, please come back and just go to the website and check the plans. It's under Join Now, and just check to make sure that the rates are the same. These rates may change as we move forward, just depending on how many folks we have in the chat room. Just a kind of way of, I'll raise it to kind of limit, because I can only have so many people in the chat room at any one time. So do check back and make sure these rates still apply. But right now, as of April of 2019, this is where we're at. So anyhow, if you have any questions, you can always go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com, and just go ahead and shoot me an email if you're not clear on anything. You can learn a little bit more, look at the testimonials. These are all testimonials from students that have traded, so I think it's important to look at the testimonials, and you can go through the FAQs and kind of learn a little bit more about my approach and so forth. So if you decide you want to join, like I said, you could always feel free to give me a call. My number is right there, and I'd be glad to talk to you over the phone as well. Okay, I want you to feel comfortable about joining us and what I do. So anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this fundamental video, and I hope you all have great trading success. Take care.